Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get ton of awesome rewards such as a lot of dragon stone you can get from this event, especially for you the new player. Give it Dokkan punch machine. You can find it in a challenge. Tap the mission first. As you can see, I already success of this event long time ago. For example, like this, you can get a lot of stone like 5, 10, 6 if you can deal some until 17 million damage in this event. And also the highest is deal 99 damage in this event. And you can get a lot of Zenny too, and orbs. So you can pick what challenge you want to challenge. I mean, what mission, what stage you want to challenge. Like if you need Zenny, you can challenge this stage. You want a orb, you can challenge this stage, and also the Dragonstone stage. Let's tap it. So make sure you have a character that do much damage. I'm using this character, and make sure you have a orb changer. This is the hardest one. I mean, this is the easy one, the number 6. You can use item in this stage like this. So make sure you have to use the item that changing orbs like this. For example, randomly change key pair to STR key pair, and also item that raise your attack like this Bulma allies attack 25% for 2 turns. And please learn about the item details to make sure you are get the highest score. So the stage will be like this. The ints, you have to try to attack the weakness, like tag to the AGL. This is the guide for you. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.